Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix mobile phone call setting. And today video title is guys how to on call ID announcement setting in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to own your Infinix mobile call ID announcement setting. So friends, how to own and use call ID announcement setting. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone call setting friends. After on phone call setting, you can see this type interface on your device. Favorite list you can check, recent and friends contact you can check from here. So friends, click here three dot. Friends, there are three options: call history, setting, help and feedback. Friends, you want to check your Infinix mobile call history, so you can check call history from here. Friends, click here setting, and friends you can see blocked number. First of all, friends, you want to check block number, you can check block number. Friends, you can see no, there is no any number in my block list. Friends, you have added any block number, so you can unblock from here. You can check your block calls, block SMS from here. Friends, you can see call recording setting is here. Friends, you want to on call recording. Friends, you can see never option, travel days, delete call recording. So friends, don't click here. Friends, you want to use call recording, first of all you will have to enter SIM card. Then friends, you can use your call recording setting. Friends, you can see call ID announcement setting, second last option, advanced setting, call ID announcement setting. Click here. Friends, you can see announce caller ID. So friends, you can see my announce caller ID setting is disable, means off. So guys, I will click here always option, and guys, call will announce on my device. Friends, you can see announce caller ID. The caller name and number will be read out for incoming calls. So friends, you have saved any number. So friends, you can see I have saved number, my friend number. So friends, I will get like call, incoming voice call from friend group 4152525, like that. Friends, you can use your call ID announcement setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. And friends, you don't want to use your call ID announcement setting, so friends, click here and you can off your call ID announcement setting from here. Friends, click here never option. After click friends never option, friends, you cannot use call ID announcement setting guys. ID call ID announcement setting will not work on our device. And friends, you want to use your Infinix mobile sound and vibration setting. So friends, click here, you can set ringtone, and friends, you can see vibrate for call setting. Friends, you want to use vibrate for call setting, so you can enable your vibrate for call setting from here. Always vibrate first the ring loudly, you can set and you can off from here. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. And friends, I hope friends you understood how to use call setting and how to use call ID announcement setting in Infinix mobile. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.